In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress curl error 60 quickly and safely. If you've been seeing the message that says SSL certificate problem or unable to get local issuer certificate, don't worry, this is a very common issue and it's completely fixable. I'll walk you through the simplest solutions first, then the more advanced fixes step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's get started. So first, what is curl error 60 in WordPress? This error usually happens when your server cannot verify the SSL certificate of a remote website. In most cases, this is caused by an outdated or missing CA certificate bundle on your server. The good news is that there are three main ways to fix it. The first and easiest solution is to update WordPress. This might sound simple, but it's actually the most recommended fix. WordPress core updates often include updated CA certificate bundles, and that alone can resolve the error automatically. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Dashboard, then Updates, and make sure you're running the latest version of WordPress. If an update is available, click Update Now and wait for the process to complete. Once updated, test the feature that was triggering the error and see if the issue is gone. If updating WordPress doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to contact your hosting provider. In many cases, curl error 60 is a server-side issue, especially if you're using shared hosting and don't have full server access. Reach out to your hosting support team and ask them to update the CA certificate bundle in the curl library on the server. Most hosting providers are familiar with this issue and can resolve it quickly. This is actually the safest and most reliable approach if you're not comfortable modifying server files yourself. Now, if you're running a local server like XAMPP or WAMP, or you have full server access, you can apply a manual fix. This method is more advanced, so follow carefully. First, download the latest CA certificate bundle from the official curl website at curl.se/ca/cascert.pem. Save the cascert.pem file to a known location on your computer or server. Next, you need to locate your php.ini file. If you're using XAMPP on Windows, this is often located in c:\xampp/php, or sometimes inside the extras SSL folder. Open the php.ini file in a text editor and search for the lines that say ;curl.cainfo equals and ;openssl.cafile equals. The semicolon at the beginning means the line is commented out. Remove the semicolon to uncomment the line, and then add the full path to the cascert.pem file you downloaded. For example, on Windows, it might look like curl.cainfo equals, c:\xampp/xampp/extras/ssl/cascert.pem, . On Linux, it might look something like /etc/pki/tls/certs/cabundle.crt. After adding the correct path, save the php.ini file. Once saved, restart your web server, whether that's Apache, Nginx, WAMP, or XAMPP, so the changes take effect. After restarting, go back to your WordPress site and test again. In most cases, this completely resolves curl error 60. Now, there is also a temporary workaround, but I need to stress that this is not recommended for live production websites because it reduces security. As a testing measure only, you can disable SSL verification in WordPress by adding a small snippet of code to your theme's functions.php file or a custom plugin. The code hooks into HTTP API curl and disables SSL peer and host verification. This can help you confirm whether the problem is certificate related, but you should remove this code once testing is complete to keep your site secure. So to recap, first, update WordPress. Second, contact your hosting provider to update the CA certificates and curl library. And third, if you have server access, manually configure the cascert.pem file inside your php.ini file and restart your server. These steps will fix WordPress curl error 60 in almost every situation. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue on your website. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips, fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.